Have you ever ignored advice and later realized it was a warning? Then this story is for you. This is a simple English tale for English learners. Today's lesson is about how other people's mistakes can quietly save your life. Leo liked confidence. In fact, he was a very confident person. He trusted his own judgment, always. He believed in his own abilities to see things clearly, to make the right decisions, and to navigate any challenge that came his way. When he saw people fail, Leo had a simple explanation. They were careless. They weren't paying enough attention. They missed something obvious. And in his mind, he would always think, I am more careful than that. I won't make that same mistake. Leo's world was a place of clear cause and effect. If you were smart and cautious, you would succeed. If you failed, it was because you lacked one of those qualities. He saw life as a straight path, and he was sure he could walk it without stumbling. He watched others trip over rocks on the path and thought, why didn't they just look down? It seemed so simple to him. Their failures were just puzzles he had already solved. He felt secure in his own intelligence, a silent observer who knew better. He wasn't arrogant about it, not outwardly. It was just a quiet, deep-seated belief he held about himself and the world. This belief was his compass, guiding every choice he made. It gave him a sense of control, a feeling that he was the master of his own destiny, immune to the common errors that plagued others. He believed that his careful nature was a shield, protecting him from the misfortunes that others seemed to attract. Around Leo, something strange kept repeating. It was a pattern, subtle at first, then more noticeable over time. He couldn't quite put his finger on what was happening. It was like watching a movie where characters keep leaving the screen without any explanation. But Leo was a man who trusted his own judgment above all else. His confidence told him that whatever was happening to others, it wouldn't happen to him. He was different. He was more careful. He was smarter. And so, despite the growing silence and the repeating pattern of disappearances, he moved forward anyway. He continued on his path, convinced that his own careful steps would keep him safe from the mysterious force that seemed to pull others away. He walked past the shadows of those who had vanished, his eyes fixed firmly on his own destination, ignoring the quiet warnings that echoed in their absence. One day, Leo stood at a familiar door. It was a simple, ordinary door, one he had seen many times before. It was as if they were spectators at a play, and he was the main actor about to perform a scene they had already seen many times. The lack of intervention, the quiet observation, felt more ominous than any loud threat. It made him question everything. For the first time, his confidence wavered, replaced by a creeping sense of dread. Later, much later, Leo discovered the truth. It wasn't in a book or a loud announcement. It was a slow, dawning realization. It was a detail so small that a confident person would easily overlook it, dismissing it as unimportant. And Leo, in his confidence, had made that exact same choice too. That is when he understood. Mistakes don't always come with loud warnings. Sometimes they repeat in silence. They repeat when the lessons from those who came before are ignored. The people who watched him didn't warn him because they knew a warning wouldn't work. The mistake was too subtle, too tied to the very confidence that drove him forward. They had tried to warn others before, but no one listened. They believed they were different, more careful. The only way to learn was to walk the path and make the choice for yourself. Leo realized his confidence had not been a shield. It had been a blindfold. It had prevented him from seeing the most important clue of all, the silent, repeating pattern of other people's failures. The lesson was not in a grand warning, but in the quiet echo of past mistakes. Here is today's lesson. Big failures often begin with very small decisions. The kind of decisions we make without thinking, because we are so sure of ourselves. Other people's mistakes are not just stories of their failure. They are maps. The loudest warnings are sometimes the silent examples of others. True wisdom is not just trusting your own judgment, but learning from the judgment of those who have already made the journey. If this story made you think, listen again and practice your English. Subscribe to Simple English Tales for calm stories, simple English, and big life lessons. Thanks for listening.